everybody, I'm Sarah and you're watching Sarah Sweets. Hey everybody, so today I wanted to share with you the best vanilla mug cake recipe ever. Now usually mug cakes are either too dry or not enough sugar, so today I wanted to share with you a recipe that would be moist and delicious. Let's get started. Start off by putting 1/4 cup plus 1½ teaspoon of flour. We are also going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with a dash of salt. Now mix until combined. Next you are going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix all of the ingredients together. I'm going to pour the batter into a mug. Now you're going to put the batter in the microwave for 60 seconds. That's delicious.